Hello, this is David from Shepherd's Loft. We would like to announce two new options for all our management plans. These options will help you increase the speed, design, and usability of your WordPress website. The first option is WordPress Performance. This increases your page speed score by 10 to 30%. On the website, if you scroll down, you'll see a little tab, Performance Enhancements, and you can see that this includes website caching, setting up a content delivery network, compressing all the images on your site, and optimizing your homepage. The Designs Features option expands the design and functionality of your website. This includes installing, guiding, and supporting 3 additional plugins on your website. Come visit us today at shepherdsloft.com if you would like to increase the speed, design, or usability of your website.